This demo is to show how using Melody 5.5 I can connect multiple devices to BC127 and switch audio between the two. So the BC127 audio is connected via wire to the speaker, so I can listen to it. Let me just turn on the speaker here. And the COM port is going via USB and controlled via hyperterminal on the PC. So on the PC side, I can see that I've unpaired to start from a clean state. I restored to factory settings. I wrote to the flash memory and I reset. I'm using Melody 5.5 and the Bluetooth address is 18075. Now the first thing I need to do is I need to zoom. I need to set classic role equal 01. 0 means I'm sync, so I'm going to be receiving the music, and 1 means I'm multi-connection. So I'll write and reset just to make sure that all is set. And now the module is booted into multi-connection mode. So the next thing I do is I'll just connect the first phone to it. I'll pair and connect the first phone because we haven't been paired yet. So this one's searching, so I find the board and basically I would pair to it. And if I go back to the screen, as you can see, I'm paired. So if I type status, I've got A2DP, AVRCP, HFP and PBAP connected, and that's the Bluetooth address of my iPhone. I'm using SBC as a codec and I've negotiated 44K and I'm paused. Next thing I do is I put the board in discoverable on, so I could connect the second phone. Discoverable on. So now if I look at status, it'll tell me it's connected to the iPhone, but it's still discoverable. So I go to the second phone. I can see the board here. So I will pair, and if I go back here, as you can see, the module's telling me, I've paired with another phone. So if I type status, you can see I've got two A2DP connection, one with the iPhone and one, this is the Bluetooth address of the Android. iPhone, Android, both are ports, both are using SBC, two HFP connection with the iPhone and the Android, and a PBAP connection with the iPhone. So all I've got to do now is, let's just take an example. I'll take this phone here and I'll just play music. So let me just play whatever's on that phone. So I can hear this music, and at the same time, as soon as I press play on the phone, the module tells me that the iPhone actually did press play. So if I go back to this Android phone here, I go to music and I play some music from Goldfish. And if I go back here, what happens is it tells me that the other I have pressed play. Now if I want to switch to the other, the iPhone just switched and came to the end of the song, is playing Vivaldi now. If I want to switch to the Android phone, I will just route it to link number 2, which is the link number 3, which is the Android phone. So let me just type route 3, and as you can see, I've switched. Let me put the volume up. I've switched to this one, and if I want to switch back to the other one, I put the route 4. Sorry, route 2, which is now Vivaldi, and I can switch back to the other one. So I can keep on, the host can decide which to switch between these two A2DP links, which is link 2 or link 3, which is the iPhone or Android. The exact same thing happens with a call, and you can switch calls between a link and another. This is multi-connection with Melody 5.5. Thank you.